Hi, my name is Taryn, this is conjuredcraft. I'm about to move across the world, which means I have to get rid of about 5 years worth of my stuff. So, yes, I'm moving. And I'm gonna be moving from New Zealand over to the UK. And that means I need to start going through my stuff. For the past 5 years, I have been making miniatures, terrain, props, costumes, cosplay, all kinds of stuff. And that means I have a lot of junk, to be perfectly honest. So I'm gonna do something I've wanted to do for a long time now, and I'm just gonna spend a day going through all my bits and start cataloging, organizing, and seeing what I think is worth saving and what's gonna be trash. Oh, wait. In case you're wondering, yeah, I just set this up for the thumbnail. I have to undo it all and actually start working now. Okay, everything's kind of a mess right now, but I swear there is a method to the madness. I am subdividing all of my bits. All my stuff needs to go into little baggies. Anything that's on a sprue needs to be off the sprue. I've got the base bag. I have got the generic sci-fi pieces bag, and so on and so forth. I am going through gifts from lovely friends. Thank you, Luke. I promise I'll do something with this at some point. I've got unfinished projects, which will probably never see the light of day, and I'm just finding all the parts that are useful on them, and once I've got them all into baggies, they need to go into a single box. And anything that doesn't fit in that box needs to go as well, which is the next, I'll show you, it's the next part we're gonna do. Okay. New plan, doctor's bag. I'm so chuffed that I bought this, I think a year ago, and didn't get rid of it while I was throwing stuff out today. This is perfect. It is bigger than the box that I intended to keep with me, but I could actually carry this around. I can travel with it because it has compartments on the inside where I can keep my tools, my paintbrushes, and so on. So in theory, I could actually just make this my primary tool bag when I'm hopping around, going from place to place and visiting cool people and making weird stuff. Okay. One more thing to talk about before I wrap up for the day, because it's very hot and I'm very sweaty. Some of you are probably wondering what I'm doing with the wall. This wall over here has all the finished projects that you've seen on the channel so far. Now I can't bring them with me, and I'm not gonna get rid of them or anything like that. They're all gonna go into storage while I'm gone. But I've thought of something that's pretty cool, and I'm very excited to share with you all. I'm 3D scanning all of my original hand-sculpted projects from the channel with the intention of turning them into 3D sculpts that I could eventually maybe print or sell. I haven't really worked out all the logistics yet, but that is something I am going to be able to do while I'm traveling and not really able to make things by hand. Well, I guess the last thing to talk about is all the stuff that didn't make the cut. Thank you. Morning. The majority of it got donated, either to friends or colleagues. Some of it went to a program that I volunteer for. And pretty much anything else that wasn't trash got taken to a local charity shop. I've got a lot of change happening in a very, very small amount of time. If you want to keep up with anything that I'm up to, you can follow me over on Instagram or on TikTok. When I do get settled and I do have a chance to start making some new videos for the channel, there's a very good chance they're gonna be different. It's all gonna depend on my setup and, well, what I have to work with. What I can promise though is I'm not done making stuff. I don't know what form that's going to take or who I'm going to be doing it with, but I will be back and it's probably gonna be awesome. Until then, be safe and I'll see you soon.